In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on UniSwap. We'll move through the process step by step, keeping it simple while pointing out the important details that help you buy with confidence. First, open your browser and go to the official UniSwap app at app.uniswap.org. Always double check the URL so you know you're on the legitimate site. You can do this on desktop or mobile, and the layout will look similar either way. Once you're on the app, look for the main navigation and select Trade. This brings you to the area where Uniswap handles token transactions. You'll notice options like Swap and Buy. Swap is used when you already have crypto and want to trade one token for another. For this walkthrough, we're using Buy, which lets you purchase crypto through a trusted on-ramp provider while still receiving it directly in your wallet. Click Buy. If you aren't connected to a wallet yet, the app will prompt you to connect one. That's normal. Uniswap needs a wallet address to deliver your crypto. You can proceed once a compatible wallet is connected. Keep in mind that identity verification may be required by the payment provider and availability can vary by region. Next, enter the amount you want to spend. You can usually choose a local currency or specify the amount of the token you want. Take a moment to review estimated fees and delivery timelines. It's a good habit to leave a small buffer so you don't run into limits or minimums and to make sure you understand the total you'll pay before moving on. Now choose the token you want to receive. In this case, search for wrapped BTC, often shown as WBTC. Be cautious with token names and always select the verified, widely recognized option. Wrapped BTC is an ERC20 token on Ethereum that's backed one-on-one with Bitcoin. It gives you Bitcoin exposure while staying compatible with Ethereum-based apps. If you ultimately need native Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network, you would handle that separately after purchase, but for Uniswap and many DeFi uses, WBTC is the standard choice. Select Wrap BTC, then click Continue. You'll see a confirmation flow summarizing the amount, the token, the delivery network, provider fees, and your wallet address. Carefully review each detail. Make sure the token says WBTC, the network is what you expect, and the address matches your wallet. If everything looks right, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize. After payment is approved, the provider will deliver the WBTC to your wallet. Keep some ETH handy for any future transactions, and you're done. That's the full process. Proceed carefully, double-check each screen, and enjoy your new WBTC on Uniswap.